morning, sir.
Kahin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Uda. Good morning, everyone. And I hope you all have done your homework, which I gave you yesterday. Have you done? Have you done your work?
Sir.
What was your homework? Do you remember? Do you remember?
Yes.
What was your homework for yesterday? Do you remember this page? Do you
Yes,
remember this graph? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You have to draw this graph in your copy and to write your question answers, which I given. Come. So, students, how many of you have done? Those who have done, raise your hands.
कामल बात है लिखिए है देखा देखा तो
Those who have done, raise your hands. जिन लोगों ने अपना होमवर्क किया है जरा अपने हाथ खड़े करो. I want to see them. Anybody? No one. Number of students are not ready to show their face on the screen. बहुत से लोग तो अपना चेहरा दिखाने के लिए भी तैयार नहीं है स्क्रीन पर. हाँ? It's not a good habit, beta. Do only one work at a time. If you are in class, be present in class. Don't think about anything else. Okay? And so, if you have not done, do it at yourself. Do it yourself at your home. And here I am going to send you a link for your attendance. So please be ready to submit your attendance as soon as possible. Okay, students? Here I am going to send you a link for your attendance. So please be ready for it. Have you got the link, students?
सब भेज दिया.
हाँ.
No, sir.
I have sent it.
Yes sir.
Have you got?
No, sir.
No.
नहीं आया.
Check your mobile.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
आ
Yes,
गया.
sir, आ गया.
Got. Okay. Now submit your.
No, sir, नहीं आया है.
Those
Yes,
who
sir.
are not in online classes, those who are not enrolled in online classes, they will not get their attendance link. जिन लोगों का एनरोलमेंट नहीं हुआ है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए, वो लोगों को अटेंडेंस का लिंक नहीं मिलेगा. जिनके पास भी गया है लिंक, वो जल्दी से सबमिट करें.
सर दिव्यांश सिंह बोल रहा हूँ. सर दिव्यांश सिंह नहीं लाया.
बोलिए बेटा. इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम?
कीपैड.
अगर नहीं आया है तो आप इंतजार पहले एनरोलमेंट. जिन लोगों को लिंक नहीं मिला है वो पहले एनरोलमेंट करवा ले अपना, उसके बाद ही लिंक मिल पाएगा उनको, है ना?
कहाँ तुम देख रहे हो? प्रेजेंट सर आग चला गया.
Sir, submitted.
वेरी गुड.
सर नहीं आया है.
नहीं आएंगे तो आप अपना पहले एनरोलमेंट करवाइए ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए, ठीक है? Those who have not got their link, they have to enroll themselves for the online classes, okay? And from Monday you will not get the link of your classes also. आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी बंद हो जाएंगी अगर आपने एनरोलमेंट नहीं करवाया होगा तो, okay?
अटेंडेंस लिंक
So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is a shelter so high. Today we are going to start our next
A
chapter.
center so high.
सर नहीं आया है। सिर्फ क्या करवाना
सर एक बार और पढ़ा दीजिए पेज नंबर 117।
Page number 117. You have some doubts? चलिए।
यस सर।
Not 117. It was on 118. Page number 118 पर है,
यस सर।
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this bar graph? Look at it.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this bar graph in your book? Huh?
यस सर।
Yes,
Two
sir.
graphs are
sir.
given here. दो बार ग्राफ बने हुए हैं बेटा, है ना?
यस सर।
इनमें जो ग्रीन कलर की लाइन है, जरा उस ग्रीन कलर की लाइन को देखिए, वो क्या शो करती है?
ईयर।
हाँ?
Here.
नहीं, ग्रीन
Here.
कलर की लाइन देखिए। Where is the green line in this bar graph? This one.
Up and wood.
Can you see this line?
Apply
This
and
green
wood.
line. The longest
Wood.
line.
अप्लाई
Yes.
एंड वुड।
It is showing the consumption of uple and wood. इस line
Apply and wood.
apply नहीं
Wood.
होता, उपले
उपले।
एंड wood का
उपले।
कंजम्पशन यहाँ शो किया गया है। और ऐसा ही एक बार ग्राफ आपको यहाँ भी साइड में दिखाई देगा, यहाँ भी उपले और वुड का ही कंजम्पशन
Yes, sir.
दिखाया गया है ना? आउट ऑफ
Yes, sir.
ग्रीन लाइंस व्हिच वन इज लॉन्गर? इन दोनों ग्रीन लाइन में कौन सी लंबी लाइन है? इन व्हिच ईयर लाइन इज लॉन्गर?
Sir,
1979 और 1996?
94.
Line of 1976 is longer.
अप एंड वुड
1976 में उपले और वुड को कंजम्पशन को शो करने वाली लाइन लंबी है, इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ 1996 कंजम्पशन ऑफ उपले एंड वुड, isn't it? देखिए,
97.
ये 1996 का उपले और वुड का कंजम्पशन है, ये 1976 का उपले और वुड का कंजम्पशन है। आप देख सकते हो कि 1976 में उपले और वुड की कंजम्पशन की जो लाइन है वो उसकी हाइट ज्यादा है,
Yes, sir.
up to 84, and in 1996 it is up to only 75.
Yes, sir.
Means 75 houses out of 100 are using uple and wood in 1996, whereas in 1976 84 houses out of 100 are using uple and wood. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, you can observe other lines also. Here, brown line shows you the consumption of LPG in
LPG.
both the years, in 1976 and in 1996. 1976 में भी और 1996 में भी ये जो brown line है, LPG का consumption show करती है, isn't it? ऐसा है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो
sir.
ये बताइए,
Yes, sir.
LPG का कंजम्पशन किस समय ज्यादा है, किस ईयर में ज्यादा है? 76 में या
1996 में।
Yes.
1996
Consumption of LPG is higher in 1996 in comparison of 1976. Is
1976.
it clear? In the same way,
Yes,
sir.
you can see third fuel, that is coal. It is shown by black line.
1996
Consumption of coal is shown by black line in this bar graph.
Yes, sir.
है ना? You can see 1976 coal consumption is only 5 houses out of 100 house, है ना? Whereas in 1996 it has decreased up to only 3 houses. केवल 3%. Do you know
2%.
percent? What is percent?
Sir, 2%.
What is percent?
2%.
परसेंट मतलब क्या होता है? 100 में से कितने लोग, 100 में से कितने लोग उसका यूज कर गए? एंड हियर काउंटिंग हाउस नंबर ऑफ हाउसेज आउट ऑफ 100,
100.
So we can say that 5% of people were using coal in 1976, but only 3% were using coal in 1996. Isn't it?
Yes,
The same
sir.
way, you can see yellow line, which shows the consumption of electricity.
Total 100%.
Yellow line shows the
100%
consumption of electricity in your book,
Electricity.
है ना? और कंजम्पशन ऑफ
Yes,
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
sir.
बताइए किस ईयर में ज्यादा है, 76 या 96?
1996 में
Yes, consumption of
1996
electricity is higher in 1996. Okay, so you
Yes,
have to
sir.
answer these questions accordingly after observing your bar chart. इस बार चार्ट को, इस
Right.
बार ग्राफ को देख करके आपको नीचे दिए हुए क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिखने हैं. So you have to write it in your copy, and if you face any problem, you may ask me again.
सर
Is it
इसको
clear?
कॉपी में लिखना है.
हाँ, you have to do all these 5 questions in your copy. I told you yesterday too.
3, 4, 5. हैं?
You have 5 questions related to this bar chart. You also have to draw this graph. आपको ये ग्राफ
सर
भी बनाना
EVS
होगा.
की कॉपी में ना.
हाँ,
सर
Sir,
yes, in your EVS copy. And you also have to draw these 2 bar charts. ये दोनों बार चार्ट आपको अपनी कॉपी में बनाने होंगे और उसके बाद आपको ये 5 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिखने हैं. ये 5 क्वेश्चंस, 3 questions on page number 118 and 2
Okay,
on
sir.
page number 119. Can you see?
sir, third.
Yes, 5 questions are there. 3 questions are given on page number 118 and 2 questions are on page number 119. But before doing these questions, you must have to draw this bar chart. Okay? Without this
Yes,
bar,
sir.
huh?
Sir, third में.
Third question. In 1976, okay, let me read it once again. Look at the third question. In 1976, LPG and kerosene were used in dash houses. Yes. Can you answer? How many houses we were using LPG and kerosene in 1976?
सर
No, sir.
I would say
Yes, 10
Sir,
houses.
18. 18.
Look at the
10
year also.
houses.
Look at the year. In 1976.
houses.
Yes,
Sir,
in
10.
1976, in 10 houses,
10.
we were using LPG and kerosene. And in 1996, this increased to 1996 में ये बढ़ गया कहां तक? Up to 18 houses.
18.
Up to 18 houses out of 100 houses. ये बढ़ करके कहां तक पहुंच गया? 18
18 hours.
10 घरों में यूज होता था,
18 houses.
ये 18 घरों में यूज होने लगा.
Yes, sir.
It increased up to 18 houses out of 100 houses. है ना? From 10%
Yes, sir.
to 18%, consumption of LPG is increased. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, look at the fourth question. Out of 100, how many houses were using electricity in 1996?
Sir, 5.
Sir, 5.
Yes. In 1996, 5 houses out of 100 were using electricity. You can answer in another way also. You can say that 5% people were using electricity.
Yes, sir.
5%
Yes,
were
sir.
using electricity in 1996 and only 1% in 1926. Isn't it?
The fifth one.
Look at the fifth question also. Which fuel
Wait.
was used at least in the 1996? 1996 में कौन सा फ्यूल सबसे कम यूज हुआ है?
और
1996, which fuel was used least? Yes,
The coal.
coal was used in the minimum quantity in 1996. But which fuel was used in minimum quantity in 1976? It was electricity. है ना?
yes, sir.
इसमें सबसे कम यूज होने वाला फ्यूल कौन सा है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Electricity.
Yes. So is there any other doubt?
No, sir.
Can you do this? Can you answer these 5 questions?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Then should we move to now next chapter? Next chapter. आगे बढ़े हम.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to mute you all for a few minutes, and one by one you will get the chance to read the chapter. Then I will explain it. Open your textbook, page number 120. Our chapter is a shelter so high.
Shelter.
Our shelter so high. Okay. So be ready with your textbook to read the text.
सर वो फर्स्ट वाला बता दीजिए
क्या चीज?
फर्स्ट वाला
क्या फर्स्ट वाला? अभी भी डाउट है? चलो फर्स्ट भी देख लो आप.
सर
In year 1976, out of 100, how many houses used uple and wood? बताइए, आप ही बता दो मुझे. In 1976, out of 100, how many houses used uple and wood? 1976 में uple और wood का यूज करने वाले कितने?
84.
हाँ?
84.
Yes. So 84 houses out of 100 were using uple and wood in 1976.
6.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Only one question is left. Look at it also. Second one. Which was the fuel used the least in 1976? कौन सा fuel सबसे कम यूज हुआ है? Electricity. Okay.
Electricity.
So we have revised all the 5 questions now. Now, please. On the page, come on, page, chapter number 13. That is a shelter so high.
सर वीडियो
Shelter
नहीं
so
आ रहा है.
high.
सर वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है.
Beta, I have told you several times, due to network problem, you may face problem in getting videos or voice. But it is from your side. And for your personal problem, you have no right to disturb other students of your class. You do not have any right to disturb any other. Okay. Now, I hope you all have opened your textbook, page number 120. You know, here I can see Anushka Yadav. Anushka Yadav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A traveler's tale. I am Gaurav Jain.
Jani.
Yes, sir.
Go, haan, Jani.
Jani. I am Gaurav Jani and this is Loner, my pattern, my motorcycle. But Loner is never loudly. We are together all the time. I and my motorcycle wait for a change to get away from the bus covered and noisy city of Mumbai. We like to travel to different part of this wonderful country. Let me tell you about our amazing journey on the highest road in India.
ओके बेटा, आपने अभी जो पैराग्राफ पढ़ा है इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स आपने जो प्रोनाउंस किए, मैंने उनको नोट किया है बोर्ड पर. कैन यू प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड्स वंस अगेन? व्हाट इज इट?
Partner.
पार्टनर. पार्टनर है ना? व्हाट इज इट?
Yes. Chance.
चांस. गुड. व्हाट इज इट?
Corded.
Not cowarded, it is crowded. C-R-O-W-D-E-D. Crowded. है ना?
Yes, sir. Crowded.
If you face any problem, C-R-O-W. Crow.
Yes, sir.
Are you familiar with the word crow? It's name of a bird.
Yes, sir.
And dead.
Yes. Sir.
Crowded.
Yes.
Okay. And what is it?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Okay. Good. Good. So this one is partner, chance, crowded.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Crowded. Wonderful.
Read these words once again.
Partner, chance, crowded, wonderful.
Wonderful. Very good. Chaliye. Now, beta, I am going to explain the paragraph which you got just now.
Yes, sir.
अभी आपने जो पैराग्राफ
Okay,
पढ़ा है मैं उसी को एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ. Look at it. And please
Yes, sir.
point with your fingers on the words where I am reading. जहां भी मैं पढ़ रहा हूं वहां आपकी उंगलियां जरूर हो,
Yes,
so that
sir.
you should improve your reading skill. आपको जब दोबारा पढ़ने का
Okay.
मौका मिले, चांस मिले, when
Yes,
you get a
sir.
chance to read your textbook, you should not pronounce words in an improper way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we are going to read a story of a traveler. Here we are going to read a story of a traveler.
Table.
Traveler. Who is traveler? Do you know? Who is a traveler? One who travels. One who
Yatri.
travels. Yes. जो यात्रा करता है.
Yes, sir.
जो यात्रा करता है. One who travels. जो यात्रा करता है ना? And name
Yes,
of
sir.
chapter is a shelter so high.
Yes,
ऐसा
sir.
आवास जो बहुत ऊंचाई पर हो. ऐसा आवास, ऐसा निवास स्थान जो बहुत ज्यादा ऊंचाई पर हो, है ना? शेल्टर ऐसी जगह होती है जहां हम रहते हैं, है ना? और हमारा आवास है बहुत ऊंचाई पर. अब ये हाइट क्या है, कितनी ऊंचाई पर हमारा आवास है, वहां हम कैसे पहुंचेंगे, we will learn in this story. And here we are going to discuss a story of a traveler. एक ऐसे यात्री
Yes,
की
sir.
कहानी है जो बहुत ऊंचाई पर रहने वाले लोगों तक पहुंचता है वो. And do you know the name of that person? Gaurav Jani. He is Gaurav Jani. What is the name of the person?
Gaurav Jani.
He is a traveler. यात्री है वो एक. I am Gaurav Jani. He has introduced himself in the first line of your chapter. I am Gaurav Jani.
Jani.
And this is Lunar. मैं गौरव जानी हूं और ये मेरी लूनर है. My companion, my partner. गौरव जानी is a partner. Who is the partner? Sorry, Lunar. Lunar is the partner
Yes, sir.
of Gaurav Jani. And
Yes, sir.
my partner, companion,
Lola.
साथी. Isn't it? तो गौरव जानी और लूनर ये
Partner थे.
इस जर्नी के पार्टनर हैं, इस यात्रा के पार्टनर हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, है ना? नाउ माय पार्टनर, माय मोटरसाइकिल. एंड लूनर इज नॉट अ पर्सन बट अ मोटरसाइकिल. इट्स अ मोटरसाइकिल. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here Gaurav Jani is going to travel in a hilly area with his motorcycle. अपनी मोटरसाइकिल के साथ वो यात्रा करने वाले हैं. गौरव जानी एक व्यक्ति है, पर्सन है, और उनका कंपेनियन, उनका पार्टनर कौन है? उनकी मोटरसाइकिल, जिसका नाम यहाँ क्या है? लूनर, है ना? So I am Gaurav Jani and this is Lunar, my partner, my motorcycle. But Lunar is never lonely. Lunar is never lonely. जो गौरव यानी का पार्टनर है, उनकी मोटरसाइकिल लूनर, वो कभी अकेली नहीं रहती है. It is never lonely. We are together all the time. Gaurav Jani is saying here that my partner Lunar and I always live together. हम हमेशा एक साथ कहते हैं. I never leave my Lunar alone. मैं अपने लूनर को, अपने पार्टनर को कभी भी अकेला नहीं छोड़ता हूँ. Who is saying these words? Gaurav Jani. Gaurav Jani has said that he never leaves his partner Lunar alone. He is always with his partner Lunar. I and my motorcycle wait for a chance to get away from the busy, crowded and noisy city of Mumbai. So here, before a noun Mumbai, we have used 3 adjectives. जो मुंबई है उसके लिए हमने 3 adjectives का यूज किया है. और वो 3 adjectives कौन कौन से हैं? मुंबई कैसी है? मुंबई is a city. And what kind of a city is it? What kind of a city is Mumbai? It's noisy, it's crowded, है ना? And busy. Mumbai is a city which is always busy, which is always crowded and always noisy. यहाँ हमेशा शोर होता है, हमेशा भीड़ होती है और हमेशा ये शहर व्यस्त रहता है. इस शहर के पास कभी समय नहीं होता है. और गौरव जानी क्या कहते हैं? आई एंड माई मोटरसाइकिल वेट फॉर अ चांस. मैं और मेरी मोटरसाइकिल हमेशा वेट करते हैं एक चांस का, एक मौके का. टू गो अवे फ्रॉम मुंबई, टू गो अवे फ्रॉम दिस बिजी crowded city. Okay, so Gaurav Jani is saying here that I and my motorcycle, my companion, always wait for a chance to go away from the busy and crowded city, Mumbai. Okay. We like to travel to different parts of this wonderful country. We like to travel in different parts of this wonderful country. You know very well that our country, India, is a big country. है ना? It has different states, है ना? From north to south, from Kerala to Leh and Ladakh. Kerala is in the southern part and Leh Ladakh is in the northern part. है ना? इसके सबसे ऊपर क्या है? लेह लद्दाख और नीचे केरला.